Hi, I'm Pooja Lodha, and today we are going to do the second episode of As Sweet As. And my guest today is Ishan Shivte. Hi, Ishan.
Hi everyone.
How are you?
I'm good.
Ishan, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, okay. So my name is Ishan Shivte. I'm a mechanical engineer and currently I'm working in a manufacturing firm as a quality engineer. So I've been a type 1 diabetic since the last 12 years, I guess. And also I was a competitive swimmer. I represented the state, and also I was the first Indian to be a part of the World Diabetes Tour expedition that took place in 2014.
So, Ishan, when you were diagnosed with diabetes, what was the reaction of yours and your family? Can
So
you?
I was diagnosed way back in 2007.
How old were you then?
I was only 12 years old.
Okay.
So I like particularly remember मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं चल रहा था because I didn't even know what type 1 diabetes meant, what
Right.
diabetes itself meant.
Correct.
Okay, so neither did my parents because we never had any history of diabetes in our family.
Correct.
So my grandfather today is 90,
Right.
and touchwood he hasn't been diagnosed with type 2 either. So there wasn't
There's
any
no
education-
genetic.
there's no genetic or there's no awareness in my family at that time. Luckily, what happened was, so my diagnosis is a rather very funny story. I had my state competitions, and before any competition, every athlete has to go through a
Medical test.
right? So my coach, he told my mom something is wrong with him. So instead of getting him checked 2 months later, do one thing, get him checked right now.
Okay.
So if there's something wrong, something is abnormal, we can work on that.
So, you was feeling that there was some difference?
Yeah,
in you?
because within a period of 15 days or something, I lost a lot of weight. Frequent thirst, frequent hunger, urination.
Right.
So I don't know what made him think I could be a diabetic, but I think something clicked.
Right.
So he, upfrontly came to my mom and he told him, get him checked, get his sugar and get his urine checked.
Okay.
So we got it done. And okay, so the first time that I got my sugar checked in the lab, it was something around 600 and I didn't know that number meant quite a lot. I was like, okay, maybe that's the range because I was standing still,
Right.
quite a normal kid. The only thing wrong was I was very skinny.
You had lost
extremely,
weight.
yeah, I had lost a lot of weight.
That's one of the main symptoms.
Right,
of,
but like I told you, like no one in my family knew what diabetes meant, and it
Right.
can happen in kids as well. So we went with the reports to my pediatrician, and he was shocked. So he's like, "How is this guy standing? Something is wrong. Either get his sugar and urine checked again, or you have to get him admitted immediately."
Correct.
So then, on a second thought, you're like 650. The doctor is saying anything above 350 is, harmful. If I'm standing in front of everyone talking like a normal kid, so maybe 650 might be, there must be an issue with the laboratory. We got it checked in 2 other labs, same result. Thankfully, I met Dr. Mutha, and that's a funny story as well. So my pediatrician has his clinic on the 3rd floor, and Dr. Mutha had his clinic on the 1st floor.
Right.
So he was like, get an appointment immediately today. We went to Dr. Mutha's clinic, and he had a normal glucometer. I
Right.
don't know what the range of that glucometer must have been, but when I checked my sugar on that glucometer, it just said H high.
HI.
I was like,
Right.
so he's like, this is extremely wrong. So I remember it was my uncle, my dad, and my mom, and me inside the cabin with Dr. Mutha. And Dr. Mutha asked my parents what they knew about diabetes.
Right.
So my mom was like, it's a lifestyle disease. People, because of their unhealthy lifestyle, they tend to put on weight, eat sweets and stuff. That leads to diabetes, which is curable, not curable, but it can be managed through medications such as tablets. That was the only thing I remember my mom saying to Dr. Mutha. And he's like, no, there are different types of diabetes.
So that's
And
the
I was,
first time you
that
came
was
to
the first
know
time I
that
came to know
there's
the
type
type.
1
Yeah,
and type
there
2.
are types in diabetes, but I was only 12 years old,
Right.
so I was just listening. 50% of what he was saying wasn't going through my head.
Correct.
But the only thing that hit me hard was he said you'll have to be admitted because your sugars are very high. You'll have to be admitted and you have to stop all your physical activities. So I used to swim 6 hours every day, 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the evening. Because I had my competitions in 3 months, so I had to prepare. And he told me you can't participate because we'll have to get you admitted in the hospital. We'll have to put you on insulin, and let's see how your body reacts because it's a foreign uh, thing that you're injecting in your body. You don't know how the body is going to react to it.
Correct.
And the only thing I could take out from is that diabetes bura kyun hai, because I cannot swim now.
Swim.
I cannot play hockey now. I cannot do any other thing that my friends in the school are doing. So
That was that time feeling. the
right,
feeling, yeah.
exactly. So it wasn't कि मेरे को अभी injection लेना पड़ेगा. I wasn't feeling bad because I had to take insulin shots. I had to get admitted in the hospital. The only thing that I felt wrong or bad about was I cannot play. I cannot do any physical activity now.